Hi, so I'm back again on number 3. So I'm just going to open up Internet Skills folder again. And where we were working was on our text files. Now I created this text files with a view to us creating a Google site for the ICDL. So in case you don't know, the ECDL was renamed to ICDL. And you can see that that Yvonne Fahy, whoever she is, has opened up all of my documents. So she's now the owner of it. I think that happened the other day when we were playing around with it. It doesn't really matter. What matters is we have the documents. So I asked you to go through each one of these and tidy them up. So for example, if I go to courses and offer here, it will open the document with me and I can click on my right arrow to go through each document one by one. And I can go on the left arrow to go back. So what I want to do is I want to edit this document. So I want to edit all of these Google documents and have them ready to go up on the folder. So I can either come over here, courses and offer, and right click and open with Google Docs. Or if I double clicked on it and I'm in it, just click on open with Google Docs. So you're using Google Docs like you would Microsoft Word, and you're opening up the documents like you would down here on your Windows Explorer, where you would open up the document, right click on something, and so on. So you're doing exactly the same thing. Okay, so you can see that this is text. It's been stripped of all formatting. So I need to format this myself. So I would edit it like a document. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to put a title heading in for there. And okay, so find the links yourself for the criteria. That's fine. So I'm going to have European driving license in there. So I'm going to just highlight this text like so. And I'm going to come up here and I'm going to put up heading 1. And if I wanted to add a link to the ICDL or the European computer driving license, then all I would do here is I could add a link to the text. Okay, and I can do this by clicking on my insert link, or I can simply put one in beside it. It doesn't really matter. So the link then would be www.icdl.ie. Now, if I didn't have a link, all I'd do over here is insert a new tab. So I'm going to come over here to www.icdl.ie. And if I wanted to, I could copy that link there and paste it into this link here. And all I'm doing really is just copying and pasting and clicking and apply. And you can see now that that's a link. So when people are reading this, they click on it and they will be brought straight to that page. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of a few of these extra pages that I've here. I don't need these. What I do need is this page and the ICDL page. Okay, now I'm going to come down here and I'm going to go over to ICDL Ireland, and I want to take that logo in. I want to copy and paste it into the document. So I'm just going to use my old friend, my snipping tool. I know there's nicer things to use, but I'm a fan of the snipping tool. So here we are. So I'm going to click on new, and I'm just going to snip that logo there and stick it into my Google Docs document. I want to put in some graphics. So these are all ready to go. So I'm going to edit copy, bring it back to courses and offer, and stick it in there for the moment. Okay, so then I can click on the picture, and here I am, align, wrap text, break text. So I'm going to wrap the text and I'm going to move the logo over to here and maybe make it a little bit smaller, just like I would in a Word document. This is a good test of your Word skills now as well. So I'm going to bring that over there. That looks quite nice. Then I've got another heading here. I'm nearly out of time here, so I'm going to select the heading, bring it back maybe to heading 1. Okay, and then the core ECDL. So what I need to do now is find appropriate pics to insert beside the headings. So I need to find a picture to put in beside each one of these headings and format with appropriate headings. So I end up with a fairly decent looking document, and